Ryan.
What is
Ryan, are you still there?
Yeah.
Hello?
What the fuck is this?
What? What did you ask?
Bye.
Wait, Ryan! Ryo16!
What?
Sorry. I want to talk to you. Ryan, let's talk. Fuck off. Call ended after 1 minute and 33 seconds.
It was actually this. Oh,
What?
never mind.
What? Okay, who should we... Do I look flattering? I'm doing all my MySpace poses. Because I'm famous on MySpace.